Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I'd like to show you how to record your screen or capture a screen recording, a video, on your MacBook. Alright, so I have another video on how to screenshot on your Mac. So if you're looking to just take a snip or just a screenshot of a picture or a browser, whatever, I do have another video. This is how to screen record, so how to capture a recording. And you can use audio within it or no audio. So a very simple way to do this is using a keyboard shortcut on your Mac. Go ahead and click Command-Shift-5 on your keyboard. Again, Command-Shift-5. And then you'll notice this toolbar appears on the bottom. This is my screen recording. Now you'll notice before I click this record button, there are a few options that I can do. I could capture the entire screen in a screenshot. Your recording options are within the middle of this toolbar. So it has the black dot, which stands for recording. So this is when I'm going to record a video of my screen. You could record your entire screen, or if you just like to record a selection of your screen, you can do that as well. So I'm going to record my entire screen. All right, you'll notice it changed there. If I'm recording a selected portion, you'll notice you can go ahead and change what part of the screen you'd like to record. But I'm going to record my entire screen, and before I click record, I'm also going to click on this options button to ensure that I have everything I'd like. So I have another video on how to set the default save location for your screen recordings or screenshots, so check that out. But for this, I could have a timer, so it might start in 5 seconds or 10 seconds if you would like it delayed. If you would like to add a microphone, so if you'd like to voice over your recording, make sure you select your microphone. I have an external microphone plugged into my computer right now, but you might just use your default computer microphone. And then you can choose to show floating thumbnail, remember the last selection, or show mouse clicks. Alright, so I would like to record audio on this one, and when I'm ready to record, I will click the record button. And now I'm recording. The one way I know I'm recording is up here on my Mac, on my toolbar. I see this little black circle with the square inside. That's my recording. This other one is a different recording software that I have on my computer. So it is recording. So if I went up here and I was wanting to show someone how to find Google Slides or how to find Google Docs, I'd be recording. When I'm all finished recording, I could click up on my menu. I could click my recording button. Now you'll notice my recording popped up on the bottom right hand corner. That will go away. It will go to that default save location. So if you don't click on it within a few seconds, it'll go away. It is saved on your computer though, but I always like to click on it before it leaves to do a few things. So here's my recording. You'll notice I could click play. Recording is up here on I'm recording, and then if you'd like to export it right here, you could do that. You could trim it if it was too long. I didn't want that beginning part. I could trim it there. Then when I'm done, click done, and then it will save to your file location that you have your screenshots and screen recordings set to go to. I hope this video helped you learn how to screen record on your Mac. If this video was helpful, please like this video, share it out with anyone else who may benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to Being Classy. Go ahead and drop in the comments below what else you want to learn how to do. My name is Jessica, and I'll catch you in the next video.